Welcome to Prairie Throttle Crew. Yikes! Well, off we go, fellas! You gonna rip, bro?
Gonna haul absolute but dust.
Smell! What are you doing about it? Fuck. Oh, Fatty is fucking stoked. Broda! You broad. What the fuck are you doing?
Wow. I would not say that one is planned.
She's torped.
I did make it through the first time. Holy shit. He is stuck. But hey.
Fucking clutches! Bone! Absolutely torped! Clutch is just torped anyways. Just fucking torped. Oh, bro.
Bro, now that ditch looks good.
My clutch is blown. It was good, and now she's warm. Well, you don't warm these things up.
Just get some speed.
250's shitter.
Yeah, I think you got her. Maybe farther down there, but you got her.
Anybody want to buy this thing? Six grand.
You gonna kick her over or not?
Low hours.
4 hours, all she needs is a new clutch.
Fucking goofball, eh? Yeah.
Wow.
Anyways, welcome to spring riding.
Yeah, it's riding season now. Hey, J-Bo?
Yeah, that's right. That is right.
It is riding season. You can see here by all the fucking
Holy cock stiff.
vehicles that
You
we got out
fucking
here.
stoked her.
My bike's not here because I lost my drain plug. So I'm riding J-Bo's quad. The old Bayou. Looks like J-Bo's gonna rip her for a minute here. J-Bo! This is rescue mission. I'm gonna say this is part 1 because it's gonna
I
happen
say we go
again.
this way.
Just lay her down and fucking yank her.
Go on that one too.
Oh, all you needed was a tuggy. There you go, bro.
The boy.
Where's J-Bo?
Hey, let her eat through the ditch there.
You're trying to take out the cameraman. We're gonna get J-Bo to go through the ditch. Send her, J-Bo.
I got an idea, boys. We'll ride for about, I don't know, another 30, 40 minutes.
Oh, fuck, I missed it.
I
Cock
say we go to
stiff.
So's for supper. I say so. I know so.
Oh.
Oh, we let her eat that piggy. That snow's about harder than me most nights. Oh!
Oh!
No, not there, do the dog. Oh, Gable! Oh, Gable!
Gable!
Ah, Gable! Gable's giving it today.
That snow's harder than fuck. Oh, there should be a truck road.
Hey, So's for supper.
What?
He's tired.
That's a whole lot of limiter. Hey, it's for sale. It's for sale, eh, bro?
For sale, 6 G's. Hey, I'll drive that, you video. J-Bone Schmel, he can't wheelie, but somewhat he can. Go. wait over. Oh, shit. Slow up there, boy. I like to call this guy. There you go.
My hand
I
is
thought
so
you knew how to
cold.
wheelie. No. Hey boys, today we'll see these guys send some.
Hey.
Yeah, I would say they're pretty good, to be honest. You know, this is not even that big. Snowy, please. Oops. Idiot, bro. Yeah, you're good, Wado. Let her eat. You're committed. Go. Attaboy. All right, guys. Yeah. Checking it out first. This is gonna be awesome sauce. Come on, man. Let her eat. My clutch is blown pretty well, so my bike's pretty well useless right now, but I got a new clutch coming. It's on warranty. But, you know, Got the 5.4 over there to rip if I need. I might rip my bike a hair, but nothing too crazy. Let her eat there, John Wayne. Come on, boys. This ain't that hard. More speed. More speed. More speed. Air. You know, that's the definition of size doesn't matter. A limiter, all you need. Right there. More speed. Oh, yeah. You lined her good, though. Hit her like a normal jump there, boy. Ooh, those forks sound good. Hey, John, your grass is torp. That's Daddy John. That's Jackson's buck. Atta boy. Lawnmowers. Winston. Winston. Hey, buddy. Come to Papa. Whoa, who's a good boy? That's my dog. That's not my dog. That's Gable's dog. You guys are a bunch of PUSSYs. You ain't hitting this with enough speed.
Look at your bike.
My bike gonna fucking blow the clutch before I even make it there. Hit her harder! Bayou, letting her eat. Nothing too crazy. Ooh. Might as well keep going. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Shit. Yep.
Daddy's really smoking right now.
Anything to say there? Obesity.
You're a big cow.
Got big old fucking.
Oh, yeah.
Must say that was some.
Wrong way, Broda.
Broda.
Sideways, bro.
Look at the camera.
Fuck you.
Wrong way, still.
Wrong hole, I guess. Nothing much to say about that performance. I was about as good as probably Elliot in the bed, but. Or this crippled fuck.
Yeah.
They want me to boot her, boys. I got it.
There's smell here. Jesus Christ! Just taking off into the distance, eh? She sounds great. Atta girl! Yeah, he's getting it tonight, eh, fellas? Oh. I'm just playing in the water. Atta boy.
I can't go straight.
Real big send, eh, bro?
I can't go straight.
Yeah, go straight. You're all showing him up on the old Bayou, eh? Fuck me. What a fucking goofball. Where's he going?
Yeah, he's stuck now.
Oh, bro.
I'm stalled. Again. Fuck's sake. Holy
Smells ripping.
absolute.
Smell is fucking ripping, isn't he?
Oh, we got her in 0.5. What the fuck? Oh, it didn't mean to block the view.
Oh, Broda.
What the fuck? God, my nuts hurt so bad.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, me and Broad were going to get Broad's bike over there. Took the ditch, hit the fucking hole where Logan got stuck.
So hard to vlog with all these brap noises.
Fucking, dude, hit that hole, nuts right to the gas tank.
Here comes Broda.
And Broda
Where's Broda going?
Oh, hey, Johnny!
You guys sent me over bars.
Bro's just side hilling over here. Fuck me.
Broda, you need new logs, buddy. That's my bike!
I was traction. That's my bad. Whoa.
Atta girl.
So not only it looks clapped, guys, but it's brand new. 2024. Clutch is torqued, back tire's torqued, but everything else. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. So basically, left the key on all winter, battery's torqued. Bring a booster with me, no side paddles, booster every time. Or bump starter. But hit this about $120, I should fly. I should fly.
Yeah.
50-year pin, never go over backwards.
Well, why don't you give her, Stella boy?
I do to eat it before I even make it to the jump.
Nah, you got it. You started there, you died.
Alright, man. I'll run it. I'll run it. I didn't know. Let's here see if I can hit this thing and fly to the freaking Ukraine.
What a goof there.
Is it hard, you think?
No.
If it ain't hard, it ain't ratable.
That wasn't a $120, bro.
That's a booter. I'm gonna go to the
Hey,
moon.
no.
We're trying to fail me, buddy. I'm going to the moon.
Settle down a bit.
Who?
Settle down. Hey, look out, Widow. Preparing the surface. I don't know. I think he's gonna boot it. I think he is gonna boot it.
Yeah, you're right.
Give her the beans, Broda.
That was totally doomed.
Holy fuck.
That's a hole, fellas.
Was that awesome sauce or what? Who's getting in there?
Guys, you gotta move.
Bro, why don't you give him an explanation? What's going on here?
Let Broda film it. Actually, no, don't do that.
How deep is this?
Exclamation on what here? I'm a little lost.
What is Logs about to do?
Probably nothing cool, but he's gonna try.
All right, well, let's see.
He's gonna try to hit your jump, but
This one.
hit that shit faster.
There's a bush there, you faggot.
You have no excuse.
you can't say that. Fuedo.
That has to be.
God damn it. Look at that.
Hit her faster, John Wayne.
What was that,
You have a
Broda?
back tire. There's no excuse. Like, you're not sending her for a goddamn popcorn shit stained fart.
What?
Let her eat.
What an idiot.
I don't know if you noticed, but I'm pretty sure he's. I thought he would have more traction. He's so heavy, but whatever you say.
He doesn't this. No.
That'd be so good.
Yeah, we're just.
Hit her! Hit her!
Oh, fuck. Atta boy.
Faster! Bro, your turn.
My bad. Atta girl.
Atta Hey, that's what I look like when water touches me, steaming hot.
Hey, that'll happen.
You done torped the jump, Daddy.
What?
You done torped the jump.
It's okay. Oh yeah, fucking this fat doesn't. Can't keep anything straight.
Think Bro can dive in the snow?
Well, I guess we'll get her up and do it again. I guess so. I just about hit that tree there. Oh, wait a minute.
There we go.
Your back hurting or what, little?
I think a cheeseburger's calling my name with a large liter of Coke. Not positive, but I'm pretty sure. Chicken back off. Hello. So my power steering don't work. I gotta turn around somehow. And this is about slap jamming Mama Slick. So might as well let her eat.
Might as well.
Hey, get that big piece of shit out of my way.
Fatty's taking off for some activities, so why don't you give her?
Why did
Oh. I guess that was all.
I guess I have to show you how to do it.
All right, well, let's give her,
So do
bro.
I go with the road and turn around and come back in after?
I mean,
No,
yeah.
I'll just stop and wait.
This bro's 5'4" Triton.
You don't need no fucking Duramax. You need a 5'4", 351. I'd stop. 4x4. No need.
You almost got her. You're making tracks.
Fuck. Jeez. Anything for the camera, this guy.
Get up there. Come on.
Watch the contour. Go again, brother. You gonna go again there, Gorilla?
Well, just get your dad to film it so we can leave.
Go.
Yeah, you're walking up to the road.
Oh, fuck.